There are times when it is necessary to differentiate or specify the current object. An example of this is when you are using constructor parameter names that are the same as the fields of the class. The this keyword can help keep things straight. Here's how this works.
So let's take a look at our date class definition. And for our fully parameterized constructor, we have three parameters, m, d, and y. Each parameter corresponds to one of the three fields of the date class. M for month, D for day, Y for year. But M, D, and Y are not particularly descriptive. So what we want to do is we want to change those to month, day, and year. So let's do that. Now I fully recognize that my code is now broken. Whoops. We'll fix that. And then finally year. So now we have to fix our assignments accordingly. So I'm doing that now. Keep typing that D. There we go. And then EAR for year. Now, technically, this code is correct, but it may seem confusing because it looks like we're just assigning the same value to a field that's already there or something like that. Like I said, it's kind of confusing. The way we can clear that up, although we're not changing the meaning of the code in any way, is to add the this keyword. This dot month is assigned month. This dot day is assigned day, or the value of day. And this dot year is assigned the value from year. When we invoke this, we are talking about the current object or the currently invoked object. All it does in this particular case is make our code easier to read because we recognize that we're saying for the field month of this object, assign it the value from the parameter month. And the same thing for day and year. So that this keyword can be used to clear up confusing code. You don't have to use it. You could just write month is assigned month, day is assigned day, and year is assigned year. But in a lot of situations, using this will clear up your code. So I would recommend using it as often as you need to, especially if it's going to clear up what could possibly be some confusing code. Because remember that we write code as much for people to read as we write it for a computer to execute.